Indian women cricket team has done, but the sad part about that is, like Neha said, that they need to make a final of a World Cup for people to sit up and actually notice, and that's, I think, really unfair. I think they've been doing incredible things. Mithali's been doing incredible things. I mean, you know, all of a sudden everybody was interested in women's cricket because the World Cup was on, but after they made the final. But the point is, where is the support when they are not in the final? Like every other sport that we're getting, right? So I'm just saying that as women, I've always said that, and I've gotten a lot of flack for it, but I still believe it's true. Everything is a little bit harder for us, but it's worth it. So I am so incredibly proud of them. I wish they would have won, but I really hope that this euphoria that is surrounding them continues and it just doesn't die down because they've lost a final of a World Cup and after 1 week everybody forgets and you start talking about IPL again. You know, I think it's important to understand that they are incredible athletes and what they're achieving is incredible. And so are Sindhu, so is Saina, so is Mary Kom. I'll put myself in that. I'm honored to put myself in that group. But having, you know, we have got Geeta. I mean, you can name hundreds of them. But until there's a movie made on them or they reach a final or become the world #1, people are not noticing them, you know. So I cannot put myself there. I've had a lot of love from the media, but we've not had that many women who have been able to become superstars in this country out of sport. So yeah, my only request, like always, is treat everyone equally, no matter what sport, no matter what gender. So obviously, I think you have seen me since I was a very young girl, and you know that the facilities that we used to have, and we used to play on courts made out of cow dung. And we used to literally have to find people to try and have a tournament to actually compete against people. So the fact that we have 50 to 60 kids here, the fact that we've got an academy like this, the fact that we have tournaments, the fact that we have people who love sports so much and the wonderful sport of tennis is amazing. And as a tennis player, it makes me really happy. And I think as a sport lover, it makes me happier to know that people in our country love other sports as well, and we're not just a cricketing nation, we're also becoming slowly a sporting nation, like I've always said. So yeah, and that's my really answer to it, is I cannot be happier. This is my dream, and I'm so happy that it's come true.